today and welcome to Letscookolet. Today we want to show you how to grill one of the most expensive steak, and it's called Angus Ribeye Tomahawk. Yes, some places they call it cowboy steak, but mostly known as a tomahawk steak. And look at this here. This is like a little bit over 2 kilo. It's 4.5 pound steak. That's good enough for 4 people, no problem. And today we're gonna show you an easy technique how to grill this steak from A to Z on the basic barbecue. So for about 2 minutes, we're gonna turn it 45 degrees, and we're gonna sear it for another 2 minutes, and then we flip it. Now it's time to flip it to the other side. Lovely, look at this. Look at this. Now we're gonna put the seasoning. Now we're not gonna over season this beautiful steak, eh? So you better treat this bad boy with some respect. No glaze, no nothing. The best seasoning for it is just you use coarse salt and coarse pepper. So let's start with the salt, and it takes a lot of salt. Coarse peppers. Now it's seared on both sides, so now let's move it on the side. Lovely, look at this. Here you go. Now you bring your barbecue to low, and let's work on the trick here, how to do it. So what we need here is, I have a giant Spanish onion, about 1/2 inch thick. 2 slices. And we're gonna place them on the barbecue. Voila, here you go. And I have some fresh thyme. And now what you're gonna do, you're gonna move your steak and put it right on top the onion. And I have here, it's a cedar wood. Just place it on the barbecue beside the steak, both sides. And now in the meantime, we're gonna be working on the side potatoes and onion to go with the steak. So what I have here, I have some pearl onion, baby potatoes. So I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil, and the fresh thyme, and of course salt and pepper. Now give it a little mix. What we're gonna do is just fold it both sides. Voila, there you go. Put the other sheet on top. There you go, and your potatoes and onion ready to go on the grill. Voila, look at this beautiful steak here. Now these, put it on the side here. So every 15-20 minutes we're gonna check on it, and you can see the cedar wood here, it's burning and giving the natural flavor to the natural smoke flavor to the steak. Flip the wood, give more smoke to the steak. And let's flip our potatoes here. Yummy. Voila. Let me show you under the steak here for a second. Voila, lovely. The onion, the herbs, the spices, and the steak is not burning, it's roasting. Slow roast, barbecue roast if you want it this way. Let's see where we at. Nice, it's 110. It's been for 40 minutes. It's 110, so shouldn't be long. Should be another 10-15 minutes, good to go. And now the potato, they're ready. I just want to transfer them into the plate. Leave it on the plate here resting till the steak ready to go. Let's see how it's doing. Nice looking, look at this. Beautiful. Now let's see the reading. Beautiful, you can see that. It's reaching 125. The rest 125 is rare. Me, I like it a little bit more than rare, but now it's perfect, good to go, and that's 1 hour exactly. Move it on side plate and let it rest for 10 minutes, and then we'll see the result. So in the meantime, we're resting the steak. I have some tomato. I'm gonna grill some tomato. Doesn't take long. Just take about like 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes max, just to have a grill mark and a little roast. Now let's set up the steak here. So you can use any garnish you have. Look at this lovely roasted potato and onion as well. So let's place them here. And the onion as well. Lovely. And that's what I'm talking about. Presentation, very important for the steak. Now let's see our steak here. Oh, nice. Look at this. Beautiful. Done. Rare. Let's give a try. Wow. Some potato and onion with it. That's all what you need. The taste, unbelievable. I'm trying to find a word to describe this steak, this amazing steak. It's Angus Ribeye Tomahawk steak, and Letscookolet show you the easy way how to cook it, how to do it, and to have fun with it. And the best side with it, don't put any sauce, don't put any things to go with it. The best side with it is a roasted potato, roasted onion. We show you how to do it with some tomato, and you're gonna have amazing steak. This is the best steak I ever had, being honest. So don't forget to add the steak on your shopping list next time, and all yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and we'll see you next time. Take care.